Hello, today we are looking at the BR-355N by Globosat. Here is their regular version, which is 1 Hz, and here is a 10 Hz version. As you can see on the box, it shows the device with the name, some specs, some more specs, which operating system it works with, Linux, Mac, Android, Windows. Let's see what's inside. So what comes inside is the main unit. So the BR-355N is a serial GPS receiver. As you can see, the N is serial and the name is right here. It also comes with a quick start guide and a suction cup. The 10 Hz version comes with the same thing. As you can see, it comes with the main device, which says 10 Hz on it, so you know which one's which. It comes with a suction cup, and it also comes with a user manual. On the user manual, it will show which wires go where if you want to cut off the end and connect to your VHF radio or any other radio you're using. Do know when you cut off the end, it voids the warranty. So if you want to use any of these two devices on your computer, you will need a serial to USB connector. Globosat has their own serial to USB connector, and only this connector will work with their devices. You see it comes with its own quick start guide and the cable. So in order to get either BR-355N to work on your PC, first you will connect this cable to your computer or laptop. And then you will go to the search bar and you will type in device manager. It should come up. And then under ports, COM, and LPT, you should click it, and it should have the driver installed. If it does not have it installed, you can right click and update driver, or you can go to their website, which is globosat.com.tw. You will then go to support, click on the BR-355N, and then right here you can download the driver. This driver is the same driver the cable uses. Also from the support page, you can download GPS info tool for Windows. So you will click it, you see downloads, you will open it, more info, run anyway. As you can see, you will select COM5, which is the same COM port made on your device manager. And if you click start GPS, there will be no data until you connect the BR-355N. So all you have to do is grab your device and connect it to the cable. As you see, there will be a red light, meaning it has power. When it's solid red, it does not have a GPS fix. In order to get a GPS fix, it is recommended to put this device by a window or an open sky. Then you will come here, select the COM port 4800 baud rate, and click start GPS. You will see NMEA data scrolling, and then you also see that it sees some satellites, but it's not connected yet because we are indoors. And this will show that your device is working. Then you will simply close the GPS and close added GPS info as the device can only talk to one program at a time, and then you would open your navigational software and it should work. In order for the 10 Hz version to work, it is the same steps. You would disconnect this device. So you would connect your 10 Hz with the same cable. Again, it will show a red light, meaning it has power. If it's solid, it means it does not have a GPS fix. You would do the same steps, put it by a window or an open sky to get a GPS fix. The only difference is, as you can see on your device manager, it still shows COM5. The only difference is you would change the baud rate from 4800 all the way down to 115200 because it is 10 Hz, so it needs a larger baud rate. Then you click Start GPS, and as you can see, it shows NMEA data and that it is also looking for satellites. And then you will simply close out of GPS info, open your navigational software, and it should work.